I need something to stand on. So here is all the parts I have for the Firebird right now, and it's all the stuff that can go in today. So we have PaceSetter headers. These are pretty awesome. I'm gonna make some block off plates for the EGR. Some dash carpet, thermostat housing, throttle body. It's gonna need some cleaning, as you can see. Injectors, fuel rail, turning signal, housings with the bulbs, a whole bunch of gaskets. These are my O2 sensors. They're sitting in some injector cleaner. I read on the internet that that works. I'm going to hit it with some carbon choke parts cleaner also, and throw them inside of the new headers I have. Brand new alternator, brand new ignition wires, of course hardware for the exhaust. And yeah, so I'm going to try to get a lot of this out of the way today. The first thing I want to do is work on the Y-pipe and the headers. I have a tailpipe cutting tool. Let's see. Oh, this one's broken. They gave me a broken one. They literally gave me a broken one. You know what? I'm just going to bring this right back so I can get an actual one that works. Wow, that's annoying. Give me like 20 minutes. So I got another tool. This one looks like it should work. Hell yeah. Okay, so pretty much how this works is you'll put this around the pipe, and I believe you just lock this in place, and then you'll squeeze this together, and then you'll rotate it to cut your exhaust off. And I need to cut 1.5 inches from the weld. It also says to cut the pipe as close as possible to the flat spot to leave the round section of the tube exposed. So I'm going to make a couple measurements down here. The car is already raised up and sit on the jack stands. I'm going to bring my phone under there so I can see what's going on. Alright, so I'm trying to clear out some of the clutter on this desk right now. So I'm going to go ahead and install this dash carpet that I got. I kind of like how these look on these cars, so I'm going to go ahead and try this one out. I do not know what these are for. It's like Velcro. Ah, so I guess you'll put these on certain places of the dash and it'll stick. So I'm gonna get an alcohol pad, and let's also get some dash wipes. So So first I'm gonna go ahead and clean off the dashboard. Alright guys, so this is a good stopping point for today, so I'm going to go ahead and stop. I got a lot of stuff done. I plugged in a lot of the harness. I can't really go much further because I think I'm just going to go ahead and get a new tensioner. I need these L pipe things. They come with some L bracket looking things. And, well, this one is broken and this one is gone. So I need a new one, so I need replacements. So I have to get that. And then I'm waiting on a serpentine belt. And that's pretty much it, I think. I want to make some block-off plates for the EGR system. So these two are going to be covered. I don't know what this one is yet. I'm going to have to do a little bit of research on what exactly this is. This might be the some emission stuff as well. But as you can see, I have the original ignition coil in there. My new wires, they look pretty dope. Some of them are a little long. This is probably not the factory wiring. The wiring probably went all the way around the back or something. But I'm going to zip tie this up and kind of clean it up a little bit next time. Not too worried about it right now. But other than that, everything is pretty much squared away. We did finally get in all the lights. So as you can see, these lights are added in there. But overall, it looks pretty nice in here. So I'm going to go ahead and wait for parts. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been a little bit of a long video. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and sorry I've been gone for so long. I've just been trying to make some decent enough progress to show you guys on the Firebird. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace.